Hey everybody, it's Junior with Junior Speed Shop. Want to do this video, give you a quick update what's going on with the Z28. Been at it pretty hard for the last 2 weeks. Got a lot of shit done. Engine swapped over. Fenders off. That fender was taken off and sanded down and primered, and I got a buddy of mine doing all the body work for me, but I am definitely not a body man. Fitting the rear spoiler right now. Got some other work here to do. The right rear quarter panel was an absolute atrocity. The guy I bought the car off of didn't know much about it, never even heard it ran. He bought it and let it sit on his property till me and my wife bought it. That right rear corner panel was about 1/4 inch thick of Bondo from whoever did the repair to it. Needless to say, I had to use a wire wheel to get everything out and clean. Now my buddy's got it down. He's got some finish sanding to do on a couple low spots that he had. But other than that, hopefully get this thing into primer the next couple of weeks. Just needs some floor work. Passenger side, as you can see, up until underneath the rear passenger seat, is fairly solid. The driver's side needs a whole brand new pan, which I already expected. I did, however, install my shifter that I wanted to use. This car is an automatic. That's a Mr. Gasket automatic shifter. I like it. It'll do the job. Found out the other day that she's gonna need this rocker panel replaced too. And that goes with all the damage that was done from whenever the car was wrecked. This thing was bad, to say the least. Got some other body work to do. Got a couple spots on the A-pillars that have holes through, but they shouldn't be too bad. We're gonna ditch the 81 front end on this thing, and I'm gonna buy a 70 through 73 front end for it. I like that front end more. I'm pretty sure everybody does. I'm just not big into the big neoprene, front nose cover that it had. Plus it needs a new one, and they're like $700 brand new. I could build the front end of a 70 through 73 for damn near that. And I know I'm gonna have more into it, but I think in the long run, it's gonna be a better looking car with that front end. Also, 70 through 73 didn't have these fender vents that the later Z28s had. I'm gonna cut them in and incorporate them in the fenders. I've never seen that. I think it'd be pretty neat. I haven't run this thing before, in case you guys don't know or haven't seen the video on this motor. It's a 350, obviously. It's a board 60 over, deck, line honed. I got Speed Pro flat tops in there, stock stroke. It has War Product Sportsman 2-cylinder heads. The cam that's in it is a Summit Racing 488 on both. and I'm running that Quick Fuel 750 that I did a video on here. These guys got to help me out. You got to get me subscribers and get that out there for me. But let me pop this thing off here. It's stone cold. I haven't run it since yesterday. Bear with me. It should pop right off, but fire in the hole. Not a bad sounding little small block. It's got a healthy cam. I'll be replacing the flat tappet though. It's gonna get a hydraulic roller, front cam hydraulic roller. Hopefully that gets done here in the next couple of weeks. Yeah, I just want to show you guys the project on, or the process on this, and see where we're at. I did sand down the door jamb, primered it, and then I undercoated the whole door jamb, the rocker panel on this side also, and the very bottom of the door at the body line, clean back to the tire, is undercoated. I really don't want to deal with rust anymore, so I'm taking all the precautions I can. And my buddy that's going to spray it for me said he'll paint right over it and it'll be the same color, it'll just have a texture. So I'm not too worried about it. Wife wants the car orange. She wants orange, it'll be orange. Like I said, subscribe, share my videos, help get me out there. These guys want to keep seeing the updates on this and whatnot. I'd like to get up to at least 100 subscribers here in the next week or so. Help me out, get me out there. Till then, stay fast.